Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to try to install the Anonsurf from GitHub in my Kali Linux, which is by default available for the Parrot operating system, but now it is available for the Kali Linux. Open your browser, any browser, and open the Google Chrome inside the browser like this, and you need to search here Anonsurf space GitHub, and you find this link UND3R1 and something. Don't click on this parrot sec Anonsurf or Anonsurf GitHub topics or this one. Click on the first link, not just the first link. This link can be this. The link is UND3RF10W. Click on this link, and here is the actual version of the Anonsurf. And click on this code clone. You can see this file is updated 3 months ago. Minimize it and type here git clone, paste here the code and press enter. So your Anonsurf is successfully download here. Now cd anon kali Anonsurf ls and give the root permission to this file chmod +x installer.sh, and simply now run this command /installer.sh and press enter. It can install everything which is required automatically from the internet and install in your laptop.